Welcome back to the Stone and Star Art Studio. Today we are going to do a quick palette for our new series, which is going to be on potion bottles. So grab a little piece of paper and some watercolor and we'll play with our paints. So for this series I chose to stick with some blue colors. So we're going to use sky blue, cobalt, and a mixture of cobalt and black, which becomes a nice dark shaded color. The first color we'll use is a nice light blue color. Next comes this deep cobalt blue, and it makes a really beautiful color when it mixes with that sky blue. And it's a perfect medium to connect the sky blue to our blue-black shadow. Down here I'm just going to doodle some cute little potion bottles floating in the air, and you can do whatever you want. Next comes our gradient. So this is a really good chance to kind of play with the colors and see how they interact with each other. Plus just practicing connecting blue to our darker blue to our blue-black color. So there's our little palette practice. I hope you enjoyed doing this, and I hope it made you feel ready for our potion bottles, and I can't wait to start this series. Like and subscribe to this channel if you want to get updates about when the new series starts. Thanks for watching.